Every year, elite kayakers from around the world race down the whitewater rapids of the Payette River in Idaho, competing at the North Fork Championship. We are here with drone and gimbal specialist Alex Emberlin, along with a fleet of DJI products to capture this exhilarating event from every angle.
My name is Alex Emberlin. I'm a filmmaker and a commercial camera operator. I use drones, I use gimbals, I use action cameras. Today's assignment was filming the North Fork Championship, and it's an intense kayaking race that happens in Idaho. The boaters actually drop into the water off a ramp. They go down the river around the buoys.
We got a fast, loose, and technical course. It's really long, really dangerous, but we love it here.
It takes place like on the side of a highway. There's hundreds of people parked. They're all scattered up along. Shots only happen once, so it's important that we have the right tool at the right place to get the right angle the first time. With all these DJI tools, it was very easy for me to capture all the angles that I really wanted to get. My establishing shot, I'm using the DJI Air 2S, and that is a drone that is really easy and quick to get up in the air, has a great battery life, has a 1-inch sensor. The file seemed like there was a lot there.
Wow, this lens is really nice.
It helps me capture exactly what I need to set a place for my viewer. We got our establishing shots for the event, day one. Athletes are coming up here, and we're gonna get some portrait shots with the Ronin SC2. Balanced. The Ronin SC2 is a great tool that works with my mirrorless camera. I like to use like a wide lens so I can help push around and dolly around and come off subjects and behind trees. This drone gets up in the air in less than like 3 minutes. It's super nice for just being able to like be getting awesome shots immediately. Then they were getting onto a bus where they all like get to put their boats on top of each other, and it kind of builds that stoke and that energy. And I was able to just chase them from a follow shot behind, and then all of a sudden I went up and over and we got super high and wide, and you could kind of see where they were going. And then I can move into using the DJI FPV, where I'm using a little bit for subject tracking, and I'm trying to get close to the action so you can really like feel that energy. This gives me a first-person view of the drone in real time. The traditional drone, which moves like this is the kind of drone that looks like this. It's very nimble, so I can fly it in a lot of places where I couldn't fly another kind of drone.
All right, I'm ready.
I had one shot where I was like diving down a hillside into the race. It's very fast. It goes 80 miles an hour if you want it to. For this case, I really just wanted to be able to float with the river. The DJI FPV has new goggles, and they're called the V2. You can actually record straight to the goggles, just in case you were to have a little crash. And they have a USB-C out that plugs in to a bigger screen, and you can give it to a director or a friend, and then he can be seeing exactly what I'm getting and see if I'm actually capturing it. The Osmo Action is awesome. Right out of the box, it's waterproof. You don't need any extra cases or anything. You literally just hit record and boom, it looks great.
Auto turns on and starts.
Just with a full
One
press?
click, no, just one click.
We put it straight onto a boat with a little sticky mount that it came with. The boater went straight through the waves and the water, and I really like the file and the color. We shot some 240 frames per second stuff, and the slow motion of the water dripping off of the athlete's face and off his helmet and off the paddles just looks amazing. It's really important when you're shooting events like this to have different perspectives, and you get that feeling that you're really there. There's a certain tool for every certain kind of shot that I'm trying to achieve, and I was very satisfied with how it all came together and how quickly and how easy it is. Putting them in the right place at the right time for the right situation, it just always works.